outside and do some fighting with one of these, like these cars. So we're about to go outside right now, and it's sunny. And it's sunny, yeah. And we're about to go, like, right here. We're about to go fight in the street. We're about to go right here and do it. Okay. So, I think they're about to go in the street, I guess. I don't know. I think they're going in the street. Okay. Y'all have to watch out for cars and stuff. Okay. There go car, Jack, get out the street. Okay, we're about to be starting it once this car passed. As I see down here, okay, they're about to get started, so let's get to it. And they're gonna be fighting, so yeah. There go the other one. All of them is out here. And I think they're about to go back in the house. So, because they're having arguments about something, I guess, because they got the same colors, and one controller worked to all four of them. So, yeah.
How about y'all to go battle in the house?
I think they about to do something, okay?
You're gonna get 75 cents.
Yeah.
Whoever wins,
whoever goes in there and
Jay, where about my
like $10, you can buy another one. Have that one working.
Okay, we're about to start. There go the lady right there.
We're going at that place.
There go one of them, I guess. Y'all want to see that one? So there they go, rolling in the street. I guess one of them gonna get rolled over, I guess. So. And I gotta go save one of them, so. Yeah. I got it, Jay. Okay, and they can't really play in the street for that long, because my mom is in the house, and she don't know that they're out here, so we're just trying to get this ready. Get this kiss going. Chad, go back over there. They got one trying to chase a cat. And there they go. Fighting. There they go. There it goes. Riding down the street.
I have to tell you all.
And it got stuck, so I gotta go save it again. So. Let's get started back to the video. Okay. That's one. do that again. And they're still fighting, and they're gonna be like, it's gonna take this about 10-12 minutes, because they're gonna be doing this for a long time. So, and I think they're gonna switch out Texans. So, I don't know. There go one of them that needs to be helped moved. So, let's start moving it. Go, Jay. I don't know. And
I bet you that just gonna hit my stuff. Look.
where the car at? Where the